Espresso. Espresso is the foundation of many modern coffee drinks. It is made by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee under high pressure, creating a small but concentrated shot with a rich flavor and a layer of crema on top. The drink was developed in Italy in the early 20th century and quickly became the standard for coffee bars around the world. Its intense taste and strong aroma make it the starting point for countless other beverages. Ristretto. Ristretto is a shorter version of espresso. The same amount of coffee is used, but less water passes through the grounds during extraction. This creates a smaller drink with a thicker texture and a sweeter, more concentrated flavor. Many coffee enthusiasts enjoy ristretto because it highlights certain flavors while reducing some bitterness. Lungo. Lungo takes the opposite approach. More water is pushed through the coffee grounds, producing a larger drink than a standard espresso. The longer extraction creates a different flavor profile, often bringing out more bitterness and deeper roasted notes. It remains popular in many European coffee cultures, where a slightly longer coffee is preferred, Americano. Americano is made by adding hot water to espresso. The result is a drink that has the strength and aroma of espresso but resembles traditional black coffee in size and texture. Its origins are often linked to American soldiers in Europe during World War II who diluted espresso to make it closer to the coffee they were accustomed to drinking at home. Long black. Long black is especially common in Australia and New Zealand. It is prepared by pouring espresso over hot water rather than adding water to espresso. This method helps preserve more of the crema and often creates a stronger flavor than an Americano. The drink has become a signature part of coffee culture in that region. Macchiato. Macchiato means stained or marked in Italian. Traditionally, it is an espresso topped with a small amount of milk foam. The milk softens the intensity of the coffee without completely changing its character. It is often chosen by people who enjoy espresso but want a slightly smoother experience. Cortado. Cortado combines espresso with a roughly equal amount of steamed milk. Originating in Spain, the drink is designed to reduce the sharpness of espresso while maintaining a strong coffee flavor. The balance between milk and coffee makes it smooth, rich, and easy to drink. Flat white. Flat white originated in either Australia or New Zealand, depending on which story is told. It contains espresso and finely textured steamed milk with very little foam. Compared with a latte, the milk layer is thinner, allowing the coffee flavor to remain more prominent. It has become one of the most popular specialty coffee drinks worldwide. Cappuccino. Cappuccino is one of the most recognizable coffee drinks. It is traditionally made with equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam. The thick foam creates a light texture while still allowing the coffee flavor to stand out. Originating in Italy, cappuccino became a global favorite and remains a staple in coffee shops everywhere. Latte. Latte combines espresso with a larger amount of steamed milk and a small layer of foam. The high milk content creates a creamy and gentle flavor, making it approachable even for people who are new to coffee. Latte art, created by pouring milk into espresso in decorative patterns, has become a defining feature of modern coffee culture. Mocha. Mocha blends espresso, milk, and chocolate. The addition of chocolate gives the drink a dessert-like character while still preserving the taste of coffee. Its name is linked to the historic coffee trading port of Mocha in Yemen, although the modern beverage is quite different from the coffees once exported from that region. Breve. Breve is similar to a latte but uses steamed half and half instead of regular milk. This creates a richer and heavier texture with a naturally sweet taste. The drink is especially popular in some North American coffee shops where customers seek a more indulgent coffee experience. Affogato. Affogato sits between a coffee drink and a dessert. A shot of hot espresso is poured over a scoop of ice cream or gelato, creating a contrast between hot and cold temperatures. The melting ice cream blends with the coffee to form a creamy and flavorful treat that is particularly popular in Italy. Irish coffee. Irish coffee combines hot coffee with Irish whiskey, sugar, and lightly whipped cream. It was created in Ireland during the 20th century and became famous as a warming drink for travelers. The cream floats on top while the coffee and whiskey mixture remains underneath, creating distinct layers of flavor. Cold brew. Cold brew is made by steeping coffee grounds in cold water for many hours, often overnight. Because no heat is used during extraction, the resulting drink is smoother and less acidic than many ho.